This is the time when I would get some breakouts, and I haven't had any. Today I'm sharing with you what I eat in a day for clear skin. So this is how I would eat when I'm going through a breakout. For me, skincare is super important, but what I eat is the most important. Super high sugar foods give me really bad breakouts. Really low sugar makes my skin super happy. So I've trained my body to eat bigger meals during the day, no snacks, because after you eat, you have to brush your teeth, clean your teeth, floss, the whole thing, clean your trays. I already started preheating the oven. I'm gonna make you one of my go-to daily breakfasts. Let's go to the kitchen, shall we? Hello and welcome to Cooking with Amanda. I started my morning at 5 o'clock today, around 5:30, and this is the water that I've been working on since then. Usually I would finish this entire glass of water, but because I was shooting today, I didn't want to have to feel like I had to pee the entire time. So while I cook, I'm gonna finish this other half. When I'm trying to heal my skin, I definitely focus on drinking enough water. So for me, that looks like maybe like 2 to 3 liters a day. I eat mostly a plant-based diet, and I've been eating this way for about 7 years, and it's just what makes me feel the best. The oven is preheated. Get a baking tray, some potatoes. I'm just gonna use 2, and a sweet potato. I'm gonna be making some home fries. Potatoes are rinsed. And I'm actually just gonna leave the skin on because I like the skin, it's tasty. Potatoes are chopped. Just gonna cover them in a little bit of avocado oil. And add a little bit of salt. Yeah, that was a little more than I intended. That's okay. And garlic powder. And it tastes like McDonald's French fries. I don't know why, maybe it's just me. I'm gonna pop these in the oven. Don't know how I'm gonna do that. While holding you. Would you look at that? You teleported over there. How convenient. I'm gonna put these in for 35 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to make some tofu. I like to use medium firm just because I find it crumbles really nicely. I'm gonna make some scrambled tofu with some toast and some home fries on the side. Yum! And you want to suck out some of the moisture with a towel or something. You take a clean towel and you wrap your tofu. This is gonna suck out some of the moisture because the tofu has been sitting in liquid. Cast irons, pot or skillet. It's good. It's nice and heavy. And just weigh it down. Maybe about 10 minutes. While that drains of fluid, I thought we could do a quick little chit chat. Since I've been eating this way, eating low sugar, eating a very simple diet, no breakouts. In fact, I just got my period like now. And this is the time when I would get some breakouts, and I haven't had any. So diet can be very powerful, and how I'm feeling on the inside reflects the outside, not even just like the food that I'm eating, but emotionally as well. When I'm in a better emotional state, it's easier for me to make better decisions regarding food, and I find to get less breakouts. And also eating this way also helps to keep my emotional state a little bit more balanced. So it kind of works together. Yeah, I just wanted to chime in and say that it's period time and my skin is happy. Anyway, I think that's enough chit chat. I think the tofu is probably drained pretty well by now. Why did I put this in there? Like, this weighs nothing. This is not doing anything for our cause. She's drained. I'm gonna get my skillet. Always turn on your fan when you're cooking with a gas stove. It's not just for the stinky smells, it's for the gas. I put way too much cream in it. Look what I've done. I can't multitask. Got things back under control. This is my favorite vegetable mix. I like to add this into the tofu. While that cooks, I'm just gonna assess the bread situation. We have my beloved and favorite swirly bread, or Silver Hill sprouted swirly bread. Favorite. My daughter picked out this gluten-free bread, which I'm kind of scared about. And we'll try a bit of both. I'm just getting the plates together. I like for my plate to always be filled with at least half leafy greens or vegetables. That's always been the case no matter how I'm eating. But especially when I'm trying to clear my skin, when I have lots of roughage. And I find that when you eat some like raw greens with something that's cooked, I feel like it digests a lot better than if I just eat the tofu and toast by itself. You know, after you eat and you get like really phlegmy and you're like, that doesn't happen as much when I eat leafy greens with my food, so I think it's a good thing for the body. I have a beautiful avocado. Feels like it's gonna be a good one, but you never know what you're gonna get. I feel like to have an avocado on the side or maybe on top of the toast. Ooh, it's a good one. It's perfect. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look at that beautiful bounty. Focus on the beauty, camera. Are you focusing on her? Oh yeah. You know, it's perfect when the seed pops out effortlessly and the lid closed so that baking tray doesn't burn the counter. Beautiful. And now that the toast is warm, it's a great time to put a little bit of a spread on top. Smilco's Creamery cultured vegan butter. It's tasty. I like it. And the reason why it needs to be hot is because it's solid. Because it's nice when your spread spreads. You know what I'm saying? Let that melt. It's not really melting. It's not melting. It's okay. So now I'm just going to take my avocado and I'm going to scoop it on 1/2 of the bread. I'm going to put it on the gluten-free side because I feel like that side might need a little bit of sprucing. You know what I mean. They are plated. I have the tofu on top, the avocado, potatoes, the spinach, and the gluten-free bread and the swirly bread. I'm so excited to eat this. I'm so hungry. You have no idea. Do you want to watch me take a bite of this? I know that that's an important part of the process. Let's try some. Potato. Excellent. It's such a good avocado. This gluten-free bread is tasty. Reminds me of my childhood. And the food's so good. See my dance? We're done. Everything except for the beautiful heart-shaped leaf. My supplement situation. Would you like this heart-shaped leaf as a token of my love? I was going to eat it, but then I realized that it was cute, so I didn't. Hello, beautiful friends. My outfit has changed because I just filmed another video. I filmed a very exciting apartment tour, condo tour, home tour video for you guys. And I'm really thirsty, so I'm going to consume this glass of water. Correction, mason jar of water. I ate breakfast later than I usually would, and which means I don't know if I'm gonna do lunch today. I may just do dinner. We'll see what we get up to. I'm just gonna finish this water and do some more videos for you guys. Welcome back to Amanda's Kitchen. This is really low. My head is chopped off. It still seems so low. Okay, it's fine. I'll just crunch. Hey guys, it was morning. It was breakfast time. Now it is nighttime. How did that happen? Oh, winter time. Wonderful. Alex has already started some of the dinner by chopping up some of the veggies. So what I'm gonna do while I cook this, and a hand comes in the frame and grabs the neutral density filter, I'm gonna eat leftovers from breakfast. Do you remember this? Yes, Alex was gonna eat this, but then I thought he was scooping it for me, but he wasn't. And he gave it to me. Isn't that so thoughtful? And I'm gonna put it in this bowl to make a salad. Salad in the bowl. You guys know how I feel about my salads. There must be some fresh greens.
What are some of the tangible benefits? Does it help with your phlegm?
Yes, I talked about the phlegm.
Yeah.
See, Alex knows what I'm talking about.
This is true.
He has the phlegm.
If both of us are saying it, must be true.
Of course. Last thing I'm gonna do with this salad is hummus, and I'm going to scoop it onto the stuff, and it's gonna be amazing. So that is done. I need to take out my Invisalign right now so I can eat this. So I'll be back in 30 seconds because I'm gonna run. Because I'm hungry. I love that you're running by. It wasn't 30 seconds. I got held up. Are you cool with your voice being in my videos?
No. You can delete all of
So why do you keep talking? Okay, I'm gonna eat this now. So was that a yes or no? Is your voice allowed to be in the video?
I said no. I mean,
No. I'm confused.
wow.
So good. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna finish chopping the stuff. I'll see you in a second when I'm done this. I finished eating my pre-dinner snack. It was delicious. The vegetables have been fully chopped, fully seasoned with a little bit of curry powder, sea salt, garlic powder, and drizzled with avocado oil. Now it's gonna go in the oven at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. There it goes. Now that the roasted vegetables are roasty, we're gonna cook some rice. We were going to cook roasted chickpeas, but we realized that we have roasted chickpeas. We're not gonna make brown rice because that's gonna take too long. And I'm gonna turn on the fan because gas is not good for me. I wait for that to boil. I guess we can make the sauce. I always like to make the sauce in these clear little containers because it makes me feel like I'm on a baking show. The fresh tahini. This is like the worst lighting ever. Do I look menacing? Ooh, the water's boiling. I love this stovetop. Everything heats up so quickly. It's amazing. Let that do its thing. Okay, so we needed 1/3 cup. Oh my god. I can do it. I can do it. You was gonna no. You're gonna come in
and get all the glory.
And get all the glory. I can do this.
You gotta start it.
This is yes, and I didn't get tahini on my clothes. That looks good. Garlic powder. Isn't it? Again, I don't measure things because I'm not aiming for perfection here. I just want to eat something delicious. A little bit of sea salt and water. It's pretty good. So why don't we just assemble the salad bowls? 2 salad bowls, 1 for me. 1 for Mr. Bickett. It's been triple washed for my convenience. We have the avocado. We have hemp seeds. They're so good for you. They're so nutritionally dense. Ooh, it feels like another good avocado. It's not as good as the one this morning, but still pretty good. It doesn't smell like mint, so that is a good sign. So I'm just going to use this whole thing. Mostly on the avocado so it will stick. I'm going to give most of the rest to Alex because I'm actually, the food that I eat, my little snack's starting to sink in quite a bit. And I'm not ravenous anymore, but I know he is. Hungry man. Next, I'm going to put on the chickpeas. Put some cashews on here. That would be interesting. And the vegetables are done. Last step, dressing. Maybe this would be satisfying to see from my perspective. I'm going to bring it back. here. See if I can do this all at the same time. Working on my multitasking skills. It's kind of essential for the videos, isn't it? To like live your life and record it all at the same time. Perfect. And we're ready to dig in. You wanted to see me have the first bite? I know you do. She's beautiful. She's a big salad. I'll have a little bit of everything. Some rice. Salad dressing, very good. The avocado is good, even though it looked a little questionable. Crunchy chickpea things are good. Oops. Wholesome, healthy dinner. I think this is gonna be my last meal of the day. Well, my friends, I finished my dinner the best I could. It was a lot of food. And also, I don't like eating too much before bedtime because it gives me bad dreams. It makes it hard to sleep. But here's my theory about that, my unsolicited theory. I think that you probably are having like bad dreams like every once in a while, but you only remember them because when you eat a lot of food, you probably wake up more often. When you wake up, you're more likely to remember your dreams. And I only know this because when I'm pregnant, I wake up more often and remember my dreams more, which makes me seem like I'm having more weird dreams than usual, but I'm probably always having weird dreams. I'm just not remembering them. There's some crust on my camera. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this what I eat in a day for clear skin. My skin loves when I eat like this, especially consistently. I notice that I don't really get any breakouts, and it really gives my skin a time to heal from all of the naughty things that I've done in my past.
You're happier.
I was happy.
When you eat healthy than when we eat junk food.
That is true. The more healthy food you eat, the better you feel emotionally, the more likely you want to eat more healthy food, and you just kind of keep that going. Just do the best you can and try to figure out what works best for your body and your skin. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to give the rest of this food to Alex.
Can you hear me chewing in the background? I'm just trying not to chew loud.
It sounds like this. It's the soundtrack to this video. Bye.